Greetings from the next journey. Aspirations for unfettered travel collide with sustainability and style in the midst of the hustle and bustle of contemporary living. The 2026 Honda Luxury Motorhome is a groundbreaking concept that reimagines adventure. This prototype vehicle, which is based on Honda's cutting-edge electric van design, offers zero emissions without compromising utility. The motorhome's remarkable combined power output is powered by a next-generation solid-state battery pack and Honda's cutting-edge EN architecture electric motor, which can travel up to 500 kilometers (WLTP) between charges. The outside design incorporates futuristic aerodynamics and clean lines, two features of Honda's man maximum, machine minimum design philosophy. The seamless integration of the solar panels onto the roof maximizes energy efficiency. Large aerodynamic wheels highlight a sleek and effective image on the road, while adjustable LED headlights and Honda robotics-inspired taillights provide a very modern touch. The UI is slick and easy to use when you first enter. The whole dashboard is covered by a curved panoramic touchscreen that displays entertainment, AI-powered navigation, and vehicle information. The two-spoke steering wheel and holographic important information display give a clear, distraction-free cockpit, while haptic touch controls elegantly and gently replace traditional buttons. Every square inch of the main area has been thoughtfully used to create a large, multifunctional space. A cozy yet contemporary ambience is created by the use of luxurious materials to adorn surfaces, such as repurposed vegan leather, sustainable maple wood, and creative fabrics. LED ambient lighting may be changed to provide a variety of moods, from gentle and serene for leisure to bright for business. The electrically adjustable seats and 360-degree swivel provide a variety of living room arrangements for both socialization and personal rest. At night, pressing a button opens a secret sleeping space. From the floor or wall rises a cozy queen-size bed with organic linens and a memory foam mattress. A built-in audio system plays calming natural sounds for a good night's sleep, and panoramic windows with automated shutters offer breathtaking views of the night sky. The bathroom is compact yet highly practical, providing both affordability and elegance. The water-saving shower has a motion-activated sensor, and the walls are composed of lightweight, water-resistant composite materials. Honda's dedication to sustainability is demonstrated by its eco-friendly composting toilet and fold-down sink with automated tap. The space is finished with a concealed storage container and an anti-fog LED mirror. The multi-purpose kitchen is the focal point of your culinary journey. The sophisticated quartz countertop smoothly incorporates a two-burner induction stove. Ingredients are kept fresh with a pull-out freezer and an energy-efficient refrigerator. Cooking every meal is made simple and pleasurable by a dual-filtration water dispenser, a small convection oven/microwave, and clever dishware storage. More than just a car, the 2026 Honda Luxury Motorhome is a symbol of independence, creativity, and a dedication to sustainability. You may anticipate a stylish and environmentally responsible excursion on your next vacation.